Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a ground beef and potato stroganoff. This is part of our budget series that we're doing. I wanted to show you where you can make your meals cheaply, but yet they still have a lot of flavor to them. They're not real plain and boring. So I've already took the ground beef, about a pound and a half, cooked it with onion. I've already drained that. I took about 5 to 6, maybe 7 medium-sized potatoes, peeled them, boiled them. I also had chopped them. I would say coarsely diced, and you've got to boil those in chicken broth. Okay, so you'll drain both of these when they're done. You'll drain the potatoes, and you'll also drain the meat. Okay, so we set our potatoes aside, and when you get your meat, and you got to add some things to it. So you're going to add a can of cream and chicken soup. I'm going to add about a half a cup of sour cream. Go ahead and add the potatoes. So you'll just have to judge if you need to add more soup or more sour cream. Okay, so everything is combined. And this meal definitely would only cost just a few bucks. So add you some salt and add you some pepper, and it's all done. Hey y'all, so today's recipe is going to be jalapeno popper casserole. So go ahead and preheat your oven 375, and we're going to mix this cheese mixture up first. You need 8-ounce brick of softened cream cheese. You're going to also need your garlic powder, which is going to be a half of a tablespoon, but I'm going to kind of do a little bit more than that because I kind of want it a little bit heavy with the garlic. Half a cup of heavy cream. Doesn't have to be smooth, but it needs to be well blended. Get a baking dish, 9x13 preferably, and spray it with a spray. You need to take your diced up uncooked chicken, spread in the bottom, and I kind of cut these small. This is about 4 large chicken breasts. They're not supposed to touch. That's what the recipe said, but I even did less than what she recommended. They're going to touch. I think it'll be fine. We'll just have to break it apart when we serve it. Okay. Now, you're going to take your cream cheese mixture and pour over the top. Five jalapeno peppers on the top. Kind of spread those out. Then you're going to put your cheese over the top. So I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven until the chicken's done, which could be up to 45 minutes. You need to keep a watch on it so that your cheese does not burn. And then we will take it out and top it with bacon. All right, y'all. So I took this out of the oven and I'm trying to make sure that the meat's completely done. It seems like it is. So I'm just kind of making sure this broke apart. I'm going to put the bacon bits on top, and you can take about 6 slices of bacon and cook them till they're crispy and curl them up on top. Either way, this is a real easy casserole and should save you some money too. Oh, and I'm going to serve it over rice. For the ones that can eat carbs, and the ones that cannot eat carbs, we're going to put it over cauliflower rice. Hey y'all, I'm going to be doing something real simple tonight for supper, and I thought maybe I would show y'all what I'm going to do. It's going to be a fried chicken sandwich, and I'm going to use my own meat. I'm going to use a chicken breast that I have cut thinly. Okay, and then I put it in this bag and I pounded it with my meat tenderizer mallet. I did it on the side and kind of got them flat. And we are going to try this and see if it's a hit. First, we need to season this flour. Season, salt, and pepper. Stir it up just a little bit with a dry fork. And I've got an egg milk wash here. So you dip it here. Roll it in this. Roll it in your flour. Make sure you got a good hot skillet. You can use any kind of oil. Put it in there. I really wanted the bigger pieces, but it doesn't matter. It's still gonna go on a bun. So you'll see here where here's the chicken breast, and then I just sliced it lengthwise to make it a little bit flatter. And then I put it in a freezer bag, pound it flat so it wouldn't make a mess. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. It looks really good. We put it on a hamburger bun, but you can do a brioche bun or any kind of specialty buns like that. I added lettuce and tomato, and then I added fresh corn and onion rings.